How to remove the B-pillar trim from your Cadillac CTS. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To remove the B-pillar trim, the first thing you're going to have to do is disconnect the seat belt. So move the seat forward and up, and you'll see a piece of trim right here that the seat belt goes into. Just slide it up. Slide it up and out just like that. And put the belt through the slot in the plastic. So with the trim off, we're actually going to go behind the front seat. And down here at the bottom, you see a 15mm nut that you need to remove, and then you'll be able to disconnect the seat belt. Just use a 15mm socket and ratchet to remove the nut. So with the nut off, you can just take the seat belt, slide it off, and out of the way. And now we can move our attention to the actual B-pillar. So there's a small cover right here covering one of the bolts. So just pry that out. And inside there's a 7mm bolt that you need to remove. So with the bolt out, we can pull the B-pillar forward, unclip it, and it should come out. And just feed the seat belt through the opening. Here's the B-pillar trim completely removed. On the back side, we had the one screw at the top, clips here, and two more clips down at the bottom. And installation is the reverse of the removal process. I'm going to feed the seat belt through first, then we're going to get this snapped in, put our bolt back in, fasten the trim, and we'll be good to go. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.